Meaning of faultless.
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 Faultless. Faultless is an adjective that describes something or someone that is without faults or flaws. It implies that the thing or person is perfect and completely free from errors, mistakes, or defects. A faultless performance, for example, would suggest that there were no errors or mistakes made during a particular task or activity. Similarly, a faultless argument would suggest that it is flawless and cannot be challenged. Overall, faultless conveys a sense of perfection and completeness, suggesting that the subject in question is of the highest quality.